I had 2 fish on, I lost 1, and 3 hits total. Yeah. Oh! Fish on! Fish on! Yep, big one. Big one. Oh yeah. What up, brother?
Have you just finished digging real quick? And you can have your corner back. We can kill some more fish, buddy.
Damn, bro, you didn't have to curse that hard, but okay.
Oh, my bad, my fault. I didn't know it was recording.
No, I didn't know this was my corner. So you calling me a hooker?
Well, it's working.
All right, all right.
It's working. Oh,
what's up, Eric? So we're trying to practice social distancing right now. As you can see, they got us on that 6 foot distance rule. So we're fishing 6 foot away from each other. Gotta be safe, gotta protect people right now. Now I'm in search for some walleye. I was told that a few people already got some. So I'm gonna try to get onto my first real one. I'm gonna be jigging a 3/4 ounce jig, using the hangover like always. The conditions are very, very beautiful right now. The water actually cleared up for the past couple days. It was an east wind, it still is an east wind, but it's very, very light. It looked like the water actually filtered through. It was like mud yesterday, like terrible. Now it's like crystal clear. Check that out. Man, bless me with my first one. Let's go, let's do some fishing. Thank you.
What?
Everybody, the Detroit River, the people, thank you.
I seemed lucky the other day.
We were killing it. Oh, fish on! Fish on! There we go, guys. Yep. My first walleye of the season here, guys. Caught it on a hangover. We're trying to do some social distancing right now, so. It's close, man. It's very close. It's very close. It's nice too. Here it is. It's on top of the water, Pete. Here we go. Yay! My first one of the season. There you go, guys. Nice fatty.
I don't know how to flip it, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is.
That's all right. Don't need to flip it.
Oh, she looked pregnant.
She is pregnant.
She looked like she needed to go back.
Here we go, guys.
Mine.
Mine?
Mine.
Hey, mine.
I eat the egg and all.
All right, guys. You can see. Here we go. I'm gonna get this out of the net right here. Oh yeah. First walleye of the season. Major one for me. I caught a little like 13-incher at the beginning of the season, but I ain't counting that. That does not count. So this would actually be number 2, but here we go, guys. There's my number 1 walleye of this season. What a beautiful fish. It's about, what do you think? About 4 pounds, 3 pounds? It's a very, very good eating fish. Check that out, guys. You know, I'm gonna let this go. First walleye of that season. Let's put it back in the water.
What was that on? What are you using?
Hangover.
Hangover?
Like I said, what a beautiful walleye right there. It was a nice bite. I got it on the hangover, 3/4 ounce. jig. But my first walleye, true walleye of the season. Bless me, give me good luck. Here we go. Bring me some more. Back into the water you go.
I just go up front and collect my money. I don't want to deal with other fucking runners.
I only play Lotto Max.
And if these betting sites, if you have so much money and you don't fucking, they can just close it down on you. They get to try to place it. So you have to like try to take them out slowly one at a time.
I had 2 fish on. I lost 1 and 3 hits total. Yeah. Oh! Fish on! Fish on! Yep, big one. Big one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's a big one.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's a big one.
I thought it was supposed to be Pete's trick.
Oh my God.
This is a huge one.
Oh, this is a really big one. This is a really big one.
Yeah, look at that.
And it's kind of biting too.
Oh my God.
Rainbow.
Here we go, guys. Number 2 on the day. This is a really big one.
Rainbow.
This is gonna be a big one. Number 2 on the day, guys. Here we go. Still using the hangover 3/4 inch finesse. Bro, it's coming, it's coming. Get ready. Here we go. It's right in front of us, Pete. Right here, look at the line. Yeah, here we brother.
Oh, you snagged
Oh, I snagged it.
Oh.
Oh,
No, that's a nice one anyway.
still walleye, but
That's a nice one.
she is chunky.
You tossing that in?
Of course, it's snagged. So second one of the year, guys, here. Snagged, but still happy. So there you go, guys. There you go. There's the second one of the days. She is fat, but she's only like maybe 18, 20 inches long. Beautiful fish right here. Oh man, very blessed right now. I was using a 3/4 ounce jig like I always with the hangover. Hangover is just the top of the chain for me. What a beautiful fish. Look at that. I'm gonna let her go again. Number 2 of the season. Here we go. All right, guys, so here you go. That is my number 2. I'm gonna let her go for good luck. Not keeping anything. You wanna limit your harvest. You know, instead of harvesting your limit. Just to make sure that their fish is always gonna be here. So here we go. Number 2, voila. All right, guys, gonna end my day there. Fascinating day, got off of work. It was a hectic day. And yeah, I actually landed 2. 1 caught in the mouth, 1 snagged. And then still waiting on my brothers here to actually bank something. They actually did pretty well this morning. I came in the evening because I had to work. Yes, I had to work. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna continue fishing. So if I catch anything in the dark, you guys will get to see it. I'm just doing the outro right now because it's actually light out still. You guys won't be able to see me in the dark because I'm all masked up. Anyways, guys, enjoy the fishing. Good luck this season. Practice social distancing. Give the respect to people. First come, first serve here. Don't just go and butt in anywhere like that. Just show respect, you know what I'm saying? Keep people safe. Have fun. All right, guys. Next time. What was that, Pete? It was a hit. I gotta get back in the water. Peace.